Gareth, we've come to the last game of the campaign, back in Cardiff against Andorra. It's just worth mentioning about the fans. The support you've had in this campaign, both home and away, has been terrific, hasn't it?
Yeah, I'm pretty speechless how the fans have been. They've been incredible, the best in the world, and yeah, they've been the 12th man behind the whole campaign, and yeah, pushed us over the line. And obviously we're so grateful to everyone who's travelled away, who's come to the home games, and yeah, hopefully everyone can get there early tomorrow and enjoy the party.
In terms of I remember the game against Belgium when the national anthem was sung spontaneously. And you came off the pitch after the game against the last one against Israel, absolutely shattered because Cyprus had taken so much out of everyone. But are you aware of the noise? Does it really drive you on right at the end there?
Yeah, definitely. I think the Belgium game for me sticks out probably more when we were under the cosh, we were 1-0 up, and then I think around 70 odd minutes the whole crowd just starts singing the national anthem, and yeah, it gives you that extra bit of energy that you need. It pushes your boundaries on the pitch, and sometimes that's what you need to win games. And yeah, they've certainly done more than they're enough to support us this campaign, and they've pushed us over the line every single time.
Qualification assured. You can enjoy tomorrow against Andorra. The fans can enjoy it as well.
Yeah, definitely. We're obviously we want to be professional and get the job done and give the respect to Andorra that they deserve. But yeah, on the other hand, we can enjoy ourselves a bit more. We can relax, and yeah, hopefully all the fans can enjoy the day, and hopefully there's a little show from on at the end as well.
That's brilliant. Thanks a lot, Gareth. Well done.